Welcome! In today's quick tutorial, I'll show how to find all your sent channel invitations on Facebook using your PC. With Facebook's latest update, some settings have been moved around, so if you've been struggling to locate this feature, you're definitely not alone. Let's walk through it step by step so you can easily track every channel invitation you've sent. First, open Facebook on your web browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand another set of options. From there, select Activity Log. This is where Facebook keeps a detailed record of your actions on the platform. After opening the activity log, you'll see different sections on the left-hand side. Look for the option called Your Facebook Activity and click on it. This section helps you manage and review everything you've done on Facebook in a more organized way. Now scroll through the available categories until you find Messages. Click on it to expand the options inside. Here's where things get more specific. Inside the Messages section, you'll find an option labeled Sent Channel Invitations. Click on that and Facebook will show the complete list of all the channel invitations you've sent from your account. This is especially useful if you want to review who you've invited, manage your activity, or simply keep track of your outreach. And that's it. You now know exactly how to locate your sent channel invitations on Facebook using a PC even after the latest update. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more tutorials to stay updated with the latest Facebook features and changes.